If you need to change the phone number on your GoDaddy account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to update your primary or secondary phone number in GoDaddy, step by step, so you can keep your account details current and receive important verification messages without any confusion. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully so the new number is saved correctly and verified successfully. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Once the website loads, sign into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one domain or business profile. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This is where GoDaddy keeps your account options and personal settings. From the profile menu, click Account Settings. After that, you'll land on your profile page. This is the area where GoDaddy stores your account information, including your contact details. On this page, you should be able to see both your primary phone number and your secondary phone number, depending on what's already set up in your account. Now click directly on the phone number field you want to update. If you want to change your main contact number, select the primary phone number. If you need to update an alternate number, choose the secondary phone number instead. GoDaddy will let you edit the fields so you can enter your new information. Next, choose your country code from the drop-down list. This step is important because it makes sure your number is formatted correctly for your region. After that, type in your mobile number carefully. Double-check every digit before you continue, because even one small mistake can prevent the verification code from arriving. Once you enter the new number, GoDaddy will send a verification code to that phone. Open your messages, find the code, and enter it into the verification box on the screen. This confirms that you own the number and helps GoDaddy update your account securely. After entering the code, click Confirm or Save to complete the change. If the update does not save right away, take a moment to refresh the page and make sure the new phone number appears correctly in your profile settings. It's also a good idea to verify that both your account recovery information and any two-step verification settings are still connected to the right number after the update. And that's it. You've now changed the phone number in your GoDaddy account. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to go, and updating it helps keep your account secure and accessible. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.